Elliott Land is consolidating all of their invoices into this form. I'm going to walk you through today how to use it and set up an account. So first, you would go in and make sure you have to have a Google account. So you can actually sign in and use your current account, like I have created one for Kenneth at myelliothome.com. If you don't have one, it'll say create account for myself or manage my business. You can put in your first name, last name. You can create a new Gmail account, or you can use my current email address instead, and you can type it in there. You'll hit next, and it'll send you a link and ask you a couple more questions, and then you'll have an account. Once you have that, you go back to the land invoice form here, and it's pretty easy to fill out. Obviously, type in your email address, choose a development. So wherever the work is actually being completed, the phase of the development. If you don't know, put other and put unknown, but please try and fill it out accurately. Choose your company name, your information's here, the invoice number. You'll upload the invoice file and it'll take you to your drive, or you can do it on your computer. Select a cost code. So sometimes this can be tricky, but please try and look at what cost code your activity is related to. If you don't see it or you're unsure, you can select this at the very bottom, which is unsure, don't see my cost code. Select the invoice date, your invoice due date, and the pre-tax amount, and if sales tax is required. You can also get a copy of any responses. You'll hit submit, and then it'll go through our approval process and get entered into the system. We're excited about this. Make sure that there's one consolidated process and no duplicate entry of any information. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My number is 228-596-4471. Thank you.